Hello, potion seller. I am going into battle, and I want your strongest potions. My potions are too strong for you, traveler. Potion seller, enough of these games. I'm going into battle, and I need your strongest potions. My strongest potions will kill you, traveler. You can't handle my strongest potions. You better go to a seller that sells weaker potions. Potion seller, I'm telling you right now, I'm going into battle, and I need only your strongest potions. You can't handle my strongest potions. No one can. My strongest potions are fit for a beast, let alone a man. Well then that's it, potion seller. I'll go elsewhere. I'll go elsewhere for my potions and I'll never come back. Good. You're not welcome here. My potions are only for the strongest and you're clearly not of the strongest, you're clearly the weakest. You've had your say, potion seller, but I'll have mine. You're a rascal. You're a rascal with no respect for knights. No respect for anything except your potions. Why respect knights when my potions can do anything that you